Hello friends, today you are going to learn the new topic, that is determinant and determinant method. So what is mean by determinant? If you arrange the elements in square form like this, A, B, C, D between two vertical lines, then it is called a determinant. The horizontal elements are the rows. This is the first row and this is the second row. And vertical elements are the columns. This is the first column and this is the second column. So each row contains two elements and each column contains two elements, and here two rows and two columns. So degree of this determinant is 2. Degree of this determinant is 2. Now how to find the value of this determinant? So there is a formula. So multiplication of cross elements. So first multiplication is this, A into D, and second multiplication is B into C, and between them minus sign. So this is the formula to find the value of the determinant. First multiplication this and second multiplication is this. A into B is the first multiplication and B into C is the second multiplication, and between them minus sign. Okay. Now we'll see the determinant method. This determinant method is used to find the solution of the simultaneous equation. This method is also called as Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule. The mathematician Cramer gave this method first. That's why this method is called the Cramer's rule. Okay, so I will take the two linear equations. A1x b1y is equal to c1. This constant should be on the right side. Then second, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. And in the determinant form, you will have to take coefficients of x and y and the constant number. So for that, to find the solution of the linear equation using Cramer's rule, you will have to follow the steps. First step is find three determinants d, dx and dy. So how to find these determinants? Keep this number in the mind: 12, 32, 13. 12 is for determinant d, 32 is for dx, and 13 is for dy. Now I will write the determinant d. So d is equal to, so this coefficient of x are under 1, coefficient of y are under 2, and constant number are under 3. So these numbers are given. So for d, number is 12. 12 means 1, 2. So I will write 1, 2 means the coefficient under 1, that is a1 and a2, and the coefficient under 2, b1 and b2. Then find the value of the determinant by the formula. How to find the value of determinant? This be a1 into b2 minus b1 into a2. Next, find the determinant dx. Dx means remove the coefficient of x. Remove the coefficient of x, write the coefficient of y and the constant numbers in the determinant. For that, the number is 32 for dx. 32 is 3, 2. 3 is for the constant number. So constant number in the first column. and the coefficient of y in the second column. 32, d1, d2, and dy means remove the coefficient of y. And how to write the elements? Number is 1, 3. 1, 3 means 1 and 3. So under 1, a1, a2, and 3, c1, c2. And find the value of dx and dy. Next, by Cramer's rule, how to find the value of x? So x is equal to, formula is dx upon d, value of dx upon value of d, and y is equal to dy upon d. This way you can find the solution of these two simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. So practice set 1.3, question number 2, find the values of following determinants. I will take first sum, that is determinant of -1, 7, 2, 4. So how to find the value of this determinant? The formula is cross multiplication. First multiplication is this, the second multiplication is this, and between them minus sign. So I will write -1 into 4, -1 into 4, and second multiplication is 7 into 2, 7 into 2, and between them minus sign. So this is the minus sign for the formula. Okay. So -1 into 4, -4, minus 7 to the 14. So -4 minus 14, minus plus. So 14 plus 4, 18, and greater number sign, -18. This is the value of the determinant. Second is, what is second? -5, 3, -7 and 0. So first multiplication is this, 5 into 0. Then -3 into -7. If the negative number is there, then put that negative number in the bracket. Here is -1 in the bracket, and here -7 is also in the bracket. So 5 into 0, 0, minus 3 into 7, 21, and minus 21 is here. 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21, minus 21. Then 0, minus plus 21, 0 plus 21, answer is plus 21. Then I will take third sum. Seven upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, and 1 upon 2. So first multiplication is this, 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2. Then minus sign, 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So 7 ones are 7 and 3 twos are 6. Minus, here you can cut this 3, but here denominator is 6, and here also you will get the denominator 6. 3 twos are 6. So I will not cut this number. So 5 threes are 15, and 3 twos are 6. So we get the same denominator. So I will write the 7 minus 15 upon this common denominator, that is 6. 7 minus 15 means 15 minus 7, that is 8, and greater number sign, minus 8 upon 6. Then 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So answer is minus 4 upon 3. So question number 3, solve the following simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. I will take first sum, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, and second equation is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So this is the first equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is the second equation, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now I will write the determinant D. So for determinant D, you will have to remember the number. What is that number? 12, 32 and 30. 12 is for D, 32 is for dx, and 13 is for dy. Okay. So here 1, here 2 and here 3. So D is equal to what? What is the number of D? 12. So the coefficient under 1, 3 and 4, and coefficient under 2, minus 4 and 3. Okay. So we'll find the value of D. So first multiplication is this, 3 into 3. Then minus sign, minus 4 into 4, minus 4 into 4. 3 into 3, 9, minus 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, that is minus 16. Therefore is equal to 9 minus plus 16. 9 plus 16, 25. So we get the value of D, that is 25. Then we'll find the determinant dx. So dx means this dx. So what is formula of dx? 3, 2. 3, 2 means 10, 5 and 2, minus 4 and 3. Then find the value of dx by cross multiplication, 10 into 3, then minus sign, minus 4 into 5. So 10 into 3, 30, minus in bracket 4 5s are 20, minus 20. Therefore 30 minus plus 20, we get 50. So dx is equal to 50. Then dy, number is 13. So dy, 13 means 1 and 3. So 3 4, column is 3 4 and 10 5. So 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 into 5, 15, and 10 into 4, 40. So 40 minus 15, 25, and greater number sign, minus 25. Next, therefore, by Cramer's rule, what is formula of x? X is equal to what? Dx upon d is equal to, what is value of dx? Dx is 50 divided by value of d is 25. 5 1 is 25, 25 to the 50, we get 2. Then y is equal to dy upon d. What is value of dy? Minus 25. And what is value of d? 25. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 ones are 25. So answer is minus 1. So we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Therefore solution is in bracket x comma y is equal to, first write the value of x, that is 2, and value of y is minus 1. Now we'll check our answer is correct or not. So what is value of x? 2, and what is value of y? Minus 1. I will put these values in this first equation. So see here. What is value of x? 2. So 3 2s are 6. Then 4 into, what is value of y? Minus 1. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. So 6 minus plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So our answer is correct. Now I will take second sum, that is 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Second is 6x is equal to 8 minus 5. So first equation is this, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. But this constant number should be on the right side. So we will write this way, 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 will be plus 4. And here second equation, x is on the left side but y is on the right side. You will have to move this minus 5y to the left side. So I will write first 6x, this minus 5y will be plus 5y and is equal to 8. It is already on the right side, so as it is. Now I will write number 12, 32, 13. 12 is for d, 32 is for dx, and this is for dy. So d is equal to 1, 2, 3. So what is d? 1 and 2. So 4, 6 and 2, 3, 5. Then cross multiplication, 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. So 4 into 5, 20, and 3 into 6, 18. 20 minus 18, 2. So we get the value of d, and that is equal to 2. Then dx. dx is equal to, what is the number? 3, 2. 3, 2 is 3 and 2. 3, 2, sorry. 4, 8. And 2 is here, 3, 5. So cross multiplication, 4 into 5, then minus sign, 3 into 8. 4 into 5, 20, and 3 into 8, 24. So 24 minus 20, it is 4, and greater number sign minus 4 we get dx. Then dy. dy is equal to 13. 13 is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The coefficient under 1, 4, 6 and 4, 8. 4, 6 and 4, 8. Therefore 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 into 8, 32 minus 4 into 6, 24. Therefore 32 minus 24, answer is plus 8. So we get the value of dy. Therefore next step is, by Cramer's rule, first is the x. Formula is x is equal to dx upon d. What is the value of dx? It is minus 4 upon, what is the value of d? 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Answer is minus 2. Next is y. Formula is dy upon d. What is dy? 8 upon d is 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So answer is 4. So we get value of x minus 2 and value of y 4. Therefore solution is, in bracket x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 4. We will check our answer is correct or not. Minus 2. See, what is the value of x? Minus 2. So 4 into minus 2, minus 8. And what is the value of y? 4. 3 4s are 12. So 12 minus 8, answer is 4. So our answer is correct. Now I will take sixth sum. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. If you observe, in the second equation fractions are given, so we will make this equation in simple form. So first I will write this equation, x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Then cross multiplication 2 into x, 2x minus y into, here denominator is 1, so y 1 is y, upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Both have the same denominator but they are in opposite sides, so we can cut them. So we get the simple equation, that is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now I will write first equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, and this second equation 2x minus y is equal to 1, and then here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3. Therefore d is equal to, tell me the number for d. Number for d is what? Yes, correct, 12. So 12 here, 1 and 2. The coefficient under 1 are 2, 2, and here 3, and here is minus, no coefficient is there, so minus 1 is there, minus 1. Therefore cross multiplication 2 into minus 1 is the negative number put in bracket, then minus 3 into 2. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2, and this minus sign 3 into 2 6. So minus 2 into minus 6, sorry, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. So we get d is equal to minus 8. Then we will find dx. So what is formula, or what is the number for a dx? Correct, 32. So 32 means this 3 and 2, 2 1 and 3 minus 1 is equal to, now cross multiplication 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3. So 2 plus 3 5, and greater number is minus 5. So dx is equal to minus 5. Then I will find dy. So tell me the number for dy. 13. So 13 is 1 and 3. So 2 2 and 2 1. So is equal to, cross multiplication 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So answer is plus minus minus 4 minus 2 2, greater number sign minus 2. Therefore by Cramer's rule, x is equal to, what is the formula of x? Dx upon d. So dx is what? Minus 5. What is d? 8. Minus 5 upon 8. So minus minus plus 5 upon 8. And what is value of y? dy upon d is equal to, so dy is minus 2 upon d is minus 8. So minus minus plus 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 1 upon 4. So therefore solution is x comma y is equal to, value of x is 5 upon 8 and value of y is 1 upon 4. We will check our answer is correct or not. So I will take the simple equation, this one, 2x minus y is equal to 1. So I will verify here, verification, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Actually it is not necessary, you can only check your answer is correct or not. So 2 into, what is value of x? 5 upon 8 minus, what is value of y? 1 upon 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we will get 5 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 5 minus 1, 4, and 4 upon 4. 4 1s are 4. So answer is 1. So right side is 1. So our answer is correct.